Welcome. In front of me is a GARMIL Lily 2 Active, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. Opening it up, typical kind of Garmin packaging. Well, that's smaller than I expected, which is what she said. So that's basically everything in the box. Some instruction, charging cable with the proprietary plug and Type-C connection, and then the watch itself with a... that looks interesting. Actually, do want to turn it on to see what I'm dealing here with. Now, because this is Garmin, if I remember correctly, I think I might need to turn it on or plug it in or not. Okay, that is pretty interesting. Oh, you can actually see the display under it. Oh, there you can kind of see the outlines of the display right here. So looking at it normally, it's very hard to see the display where the bezels are. And there's a strong vibration to it too. It's actually pretty nice and smooth. So there we go, that's basically everything that there is. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.